Egg 1.
I can't do it.
It's okay.
Got it.
Alright, stop it.
Don't overflow. Are you thinking of taping it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, you go over it.
Yummy.
This is a heterogeneous mixture. Yay!
Now our mixture is homogeneous.
Mixture. Yay! We just added some food coloring to the cake batter
It's a physical change.
because it didn't change what it was. It just made it a different color. Yeah.
Putting the cake in the exothermic oven.
Ta-da! Yay, exothermic! Exothermic cheer. Alright. Right now it's going through a chemical change, baking in the oven, because the exothermic heat is cooking it, and you can't turn it back to cake batter after it's cooked. Yay.
The finished product.
Yay, cake! Yay! We're about to turn this cake into mechanical to chemical. Ready? Cake! Oh. Being converted into chemical right now in my tummy.
Yum. It's actually really good. Everybody should make a homemade cake, not a box cake.
Hope you enjoyed our video.